Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna just go through a rundown of the labor that's involved in a basement example again. So let's start with some miscellaneous. We have material transfers. For our guys, it could take up to a day for 3 guys to carry down all your studs, framing materials, sheetrock, insulation, bringing everything down into your basement. Protect and clean, laying out protection material on your new floors, covering your belongings that are in the surrounding areas, cleaning up at the end of the day, organizing our tools and materials. We have venting. Let's say you have a bathroom, we're venting the bathroom vent to the exterior, insulating your walls, sometimes your ceilings. We have laying out for your framing, top and bottom plates, adhering those bottom plates to the slab, putting your studs in, framing for your doorways, your ceilings, your stairway walls, your closets, ductwork, columns, headers. When we get into your walls, we have hanging your drywall, ceilings and walls, applying tape, 3 coats of joint compound, sanding, cleaning the surface, priming and painting, your walls, your ceilings, your doors, your trim, all that gets painted. You have filling every single nail hole that we put in on your trim and on your doors, which could be hundreds upon hundreds. Filling them, sanding them, imagine how much time that takes. Getting into finishes, laying out your floor, installing your floor, whether it's LVP, tile. We have installing your doors, your trim work, base trim, door trim, window trim, replacing any basement windows that you might have, shelving for storage, installing that, hardware, whether it's door stops, door hardware, bathroom hardware, stair treads, sanding and finishing your stair treads or laying floor on your stair treads, painting your risers and stringers. That's a very time-consuming project. Moving into railings, posts, spindles, installing all of those, sanding and finishing them, staining them, painting them, whatever you prefer. Now, moving into tile work, if you have a bathroom, any cabinetry or counters, maybe for a built-in or a kitchenette, all this is very time-consuming. Our guys move at a very swift pace. They're trained, they know what they're doing. We are not picking anybody up from Home Depot and jumping out of a truck and running into your basement. So take this all in consideration when we provide you with a quote, that there is a lot more to the actual project that our guys are doing on a day-to-day basis. Thanks for watching.